everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we have another SAT question that I found on the SAT practice exam number 1, module number 1, and question number 26. In this question, we have to find uh, which of the following points lies on the graph of each equation in the xy plane for any real number r in given the system 2x plus 3y equal to 7 and 10x plus 15y equals 35. Now I've numbered the top equation is 1 and the bottom equation is number 2. Our first step is to notice that our first equation, so equation number 1, EQ1, can be rewritten as our second equation if we multiply it by 5. So 5 times 2x plus 3y equals 7 yields us 10x plus 15y equals 35 because we're going to distribute 5 to 2x, to 3y, and to 7. And 5 times 2 is 10, so 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times 3 is 15, so 5 times 3y is 15y. And 5 times 7 is 35. And this is the same equation as equation number 2. So this is equation number 2. So now that we know both of these equations are essentially the same, we can solve for x or for y. And in this situation, I'm going to go ahead and solve for x by replacing y with r. Okay, so I'm going to replace y with r and solve for x that way. So 10x plus 15r equal to 35. 10x, so minus 15 on both sides, is equal to 35 minus 15r. And we divide both sides by 10 to solve for x. This yields us x is equal to 35 minus 15r all over 10. However, this can be further simplified by factoring out a 5 on both the numerator and the denominator. So if you factor out a 5 on the numerator, we get 5 times 7 minus 3r over 5 times 2. And since 5 is common on both the numerator and the denominator, the 5's will cancel, which will give us our final and simplified expression for equation for x, which is 7 minus 3r over 2 equals. So since this is equal to x, this is going to be our x value for our corresponding coordinate point. However, if we go back to the answer choices, we will notice that none of the answer choices reflect what we derived here for x. However, that's not true because answer choice B just writes our value in a different way. So what I mean is 7 minus 3r over 2 can be rewritten as 7 over 2 minus 3r over 2. And this can be further written as negative 3r over 2 plus 7 over 2. And that is the value that's given for x in answer choice number B, or answer choice B. So that's going to be our right answer. And here for our where our y would be, that's r because we substituted y for r in order to solve for x in terms of r. So the right answer for this question is B, negative 3r over 2 plus 7 over 2 comma r.